Okay, this could be good. Should be good. Yeah, okay, it should be good. Fuck off, oh, fucking zillion, bro.
Might have to make another heroic last stand.
I'd say top gap this game. I would like to say top gap this game. Just saying.
Picked up a few tricks during my walk.
No. Oh my fucking god, bro. That was such a hard game. Such a hard game. That's probably one of my best games I've played in a while, honestly, I feel. Jesus Christ. And my clan's crashing again, as per usual. Whew. Had to put in the work that game. And Zillion made it so hard because I just can't like kill the target I want to sometimes. Not bad though. Not bad. I think the double kill top lane was really a big changer, honestly. If I don't get that, I think the game's a lot harder. The game's a lot harder without that. Alright, solid. I mean, Swift is big value because of Olaf and Zillion that game. I mean, I still get slowed, but at least I can move somewhat. At least I can move somewhat. Kai's so smart going AD. Yeah, I mean, thank God. Thank God. Yeah. Eve got a huge pick, I think, that last fight too, so. Let me see that Olaf. What the fuck? Bro, this guy's just on a winning spree or what? He's not lost a single game up before he went against me. What the hell? Bro, literally had a flawless match until me. What the hell? Holy, this guy's... Hey, yo. Who is this man? Who is this man? What the hell? Last 40 games, 35 wins, 3 losses. What the fuck? That feels so good to be a reason someone gets stopped. I had to put him down, man. I had to put him down. I had to put him down. What up, Trippy? How's it going? Hello, Honzuk.